Hey traders, it's Irvin. Let me show you how and when to buy and sell here on the forex trading market. So it's gonna be pretty awesome, but let me show you exactly step by step how I do it. So I'm gonna give you 3 amazing pairs this week. So the video that I made last week was on fire. This new week is also gonna be on fire, but let me show you first. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the very first pair of the day, and that is going to be GBPJPY. Boom, look at this, guys. This is gonna be amazing. So always pay attention no matter what I do here. Always look at pay attention to your cheat sheet. What is your daily time frame versus the 4 hours doing? So in here, the daily time frame is letting us know that we are selling, and the 4 hours is currently doing a pullback against the daily time frame. So what are we looking for here, guys? Let me show you so you can understand. What we're looking for here in the market is we're looking for this TWE sniper entry. You see TWE sell and TWE buy. So when the signal come in, it's gonna give you steers, and that means the market here was selling. Then multiple time frame shows up in here. TW is confirm it. Here's multiple time frame again, and look at the stairs. The stairs start going green, and bam, the market went up. That's simple. It's nothing else. There's no magic. Now let me show you the real data, what the market is doing on GBPJPY. Why I was telling you the daily time frame was telling us here that we are in a sell. Here's the TW sniper entry. Here's the multiple time frame. Look at the stair. Where's the stair heading? Very clear. It's only going in one direction only, and the trend on GBPJPY, it is only selling at this present time. But on Friday, the market left us with indication the market is gonna do a small retracement. That's a pullback. That's why you are seeing here on the dashboard, it turns green, right? So that is accurate, guys. So all I can tell you is the market came and retested this previous multiple time frame. From there, it bounced, right? So market is gonna go back all the way to your 38.2 Fibonacci, which is previous multiple time frame as well. And from there, market will retrace. So most likely it's gonna retrace sometime, I would say maybe on Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we're gonna have the remainder of the week coming down. But overall, if you ask me what is GBPJPY is doing, I would tell you the market is selling, doing a pullback. Okay, any question, guys? Are you guys getting confused? Let me know. If there is any pair that I'm not covering, please let me know in the comment below, or send me a message. The link is in the description of this video, and let me know with what pair to analyze for you, and I will do it. Okay. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be gold. Boom. Let me not show you the real data. Look at the dashboard, guys. Look at the dashboard. There's no way you're gonna get confused as Irving, what the hell is gold doing? Look at that. What is 4 hours and daily time frame is doing, guys? What it is 4 hours and daily time frame doing is only doing one thing, and it's showing us in here the market is selling. So look, just by looking at the dashboard, that's your cheat sheet. That's what I was telling you. This is gonna help you when to buy and sell on the forex trading market. That will help you. Now, let's go ahead and analyze the real data so you can understand, because some of you might be, what are you talking about? The market is in a buy. No, it's not. Look at multiple time frame showed us in here. Multiple time frame once again. Look at the TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Stair 1, stair 2, stair 3 is not there yet. Stair 4 is not there yet. Stair 5 is not there yet. But what is the real trend doing on gold? Gold, it is dropping, guys. So this is my understanding for this coming week, guys. We're getting a signal on the multiple time frame. On Friday, it left us and it gave us the signal the market may do a retracement. If this retracement is valid, it's gonna come to your 38.2 Fibonacci. Why? Because there's previous multiple time frame right in that area. So from there, market will continue selling. Why is gonna be selling? Because the original trend on gold is bearish at this present time. If we get any update, any news, or whatever the elections is happening right now, guys, everything is subject to change. But I want to give you the real thing of what I'm seeing here on the market. That's all I'm seeing. I'm seeing a sell, and that's all I'm gonna stick with. Okay, let me know that I'm going too fast or too slow, or I'm confusing you, or you don't understand. If one of those is your question, guys, don't be afraid. Just ask the question and I will give you the answer. All right. So let me give you another amazing pair that I'm trading, guys, and that is doing a pullback. Well, I left it on Friday, but let me show you so you can understand. Okay, the next pair that I'm gonna give you, it is USD 30 cash. Look at that. Look at this, guys. What is the dashboard doing, guys? Look at this. Look at the dashboard. Who is in charge? Is the daily or the 4 hours? Who will you deal with? Look, I want you to fully understand. This is identical what the goal is doing. Look at the daily time frame, is selling. Look at the 4 hours, is saying that we are in a buy. Look at the multiple time frame. Look at the multiple time frame twice. Look at the TWE here. It's showing us that it says TWE is selling. Look at the magenta the arrow came in. Look at the stair 1, stair 2, stair 3. That is exactly what Go is doing, guys. Go is selling. So this is what I'm thinking is gonna happen on Go. So Go in here with the USD 30 is also gonna be doing a pullback. So we're looking for this potential buy trend on Go. Boom! It's gonna make you tons of money going up. And then, so here on USD 30, obviously the market is doing a pullback, right? That's what we're seeing. That's what you are seeing here on the 4 hours. So that pullback is valid. So I can tell you, we'll continue to go all the way up to this previous low here. So one more time and bam, market will drop. Don't get it twisted, guys. The sellers are in charge right now, unless if we get any news on the market that is gonna do otherwise, then we are potentially seeing a very beautiful sell position on USD 30. So get ready if you want to make money. It's gonna be a new month anyway, so get ready and collect hundreds of dollars on the market. Okay, any question, guys, do me a favor, please make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let me know if you want me to do another video. Okay, so but I really want to thank you for coming here. Okay, so I will see you on our next video. Peace out. Bye. Boom.